How to fix Instagram messaging update in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messaging update easy and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Open the apps page. On this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app information page. Open the notifications, make sure that all notifications are enabled. Go back, click on permissions, make sure also that all the permissions are enabled, and then go to the data usage and the same thing. All the options should be enabled. Now click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and then go to the home page, open Play Store, search for Instagram and click on update. After click on update, the problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.